Hey, this is Black Rain. Like we said, every week or every 2 weeks we're going to update a new video, and we're doing Black Rain today. And Mark, he was here last week, but he had no position in the song Marcy Playground. So anyways, Jonathan, the bass player, Arlena, the guitar player, I'm the lead singer, they're going to be singing backup. So, yeah, here we go. I don't know.
I didn't sound right.
Yeah, it didn't sound right. So it's like, can you delete that? Well, no, we can just keep going. We're just
Oh,
yeah, that's the practice.
Three,
Alright.
2, 1, go.
I think you guys are getting mixed up with Polly. It goes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're doing Polly?
No, we're not. We're doing
What were you doing, Mark?
He was doing some kind of
No,
strong.
yeah.
He was like,
But alright, 1, 2.
It goes
1,
right.
2, 3, 4. Love and hate, get it wrong. She cut me right back down to size. Sleep the day, let it fade. Who is there to take your place? No one knows, never will. Mostly me, but mostly you. Do you say when it comes, when it all comes down? 'Cause I don't wanna come back down from this cloud. Taking me all this time to find out why. Yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna come back down from this cloud. Taking me all this time to find out why. Love and hate, get it wrong. You cut me right back down to size. Sleep the day, let it fade.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. Hey guys, a little slower. Like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's see how this sounded,
A little bit slower. I know. But like, it's just like.